Fixing paper jams in the HP LaserJet MFP M139 through M142 and M139E through M142E printer series. If you receive a paper jam error message on HP Smart, or if the attention light blinks and ER/04, ER/05, or ER/06 displays on the printer control panel, you may be experiencing a paper jam. Follow these steps to troubleshoot potential causes that may be causing these error messages. While the printer is turned on, disconnect the power cord from the printer. Use both hands to remove any jammed paper or objects you see in the output bin. Open the toner access door and remove the toner cartridge. Then remove any paper or other media from the input tray. Look for jammed paper or other material inside the printer, and then use both hands to remove any that you find. Then, again using both hands, remove any jammed paper or other objects from the input bin. Align the cartridge with the tracks inside the printer. Be sure to push it in until it's firmly in place, and then close the toner access door. Plug the power cord back into the printer and then turn it on. If you are still experiencing the same error, go to support.hp.com to contact HP customer support to either service or replace your HP product. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.